Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time, no more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sir.
Watching. See you on our next travel vlog.
Thank you guys. I'm so touched.
Ang ganda ng background.
Yay. Mama. Hey, good morning guys. So right now it's day 3 in Thailand. So today is my birthday. So happy birthday to me. Yay. So today is a shopping day. So I will go to Pratunam market, and then after that I will go to Chatuchak. And then after Chatuchak at 7 p.m. Thailand time, I'll have a buffet dinner in Baiyoke Hotel. So yun guys, tapos na tayo sa Pratunam market. Naging wholesale nila is 3. At least 3 para maka-discount. And then right now, we're going to Big C. We're here. So yun guys, kakabalik lang natin dito sa room, sa hotel.
So, sobrang nakakapagod. So, right now, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung kung ano yung mga nabili ko sa Big C and dun sa Pratunam Market and dun sa Chatuchak Market. So, check this out! So, there you go guys. So, ready na ako ngayon. Nakabihis na tayo. So, in a while, papunta tayo ngayon ng Baiyoke Hotel wherein nandun yung dinner buffet na pinurchase ko via Klook. Tingnan natin kung masarap ba yung food nila. And then, ang interesting kasi nito is this is a sky buffet wherein overlooking siya ng the whole city of Bangkok. So, based on pictures, super ganda nung mga views. So, punta na ako. See ya! Bye!
It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue.